Emeril Lagasse here for my new Pasta Beyond.
Don't spend hours mixing your dough, then kneading it, rolling it out, and feeding it through a manual pasta maker.
Now you can make hundreds of different kinds of pastas just as good as I can.
Add your flour, add your wet ingredients, and instantly start to make fresh pasta. The secret is the super powerful motor that drives the mixing bar to knead and extrude evenly mixed dough. With 8 shaping discs, it means you can make any fresh pasta you like. Spaghetti, fettuccine, linguine, angel hair. Add vegetable juice to make beet juice penne, spinach juice tagliatelle, and you can add fresh herbs right into your dough. Make fresh lasagna noodles for an ooey-gooey homemade favorite, and use the same noodles to make ravioli and dumplings. Make fresh chicken soup noodles, udon for soups and stir-fry, and fresh healthier ramen. Make your pasta with your favorite flour. Make gluten-free elbows for mac and cheese the kids will love. Don't spend a fortune for fresh pasta from the store. You can make an entire pound that's 8 servings for only 54 cents. And here's the best part. It cooks 70% faster than pasta in a box. And you can freeze it. When you want to cook it, in just minutes, it will taste just as fresh as the day you made it. And there's smart storage built in for all of your shaping discs. You want more? It's also a pro-grade juicer. Juice hard vegetables and fruit in delicious combinations. Fast juicers leave more juice in the pulp. Look how wet theirs is compared to ours. And how much more juice is left in our glass. And there's more. It's also a frozen fruit dessert maker. Transform frozen fruit into frozen fruit soft serve, sorbet, gelato, and frozen yogurt. And cleanup is a breeze. All of the pieces are dishwasher safe.